Government police tend to be reactive, not proactive. So they tend to wait until a crime occurs, then they show up, take a report, and if they deal with it, it will be almost always ex post. Private security, private policing tends to be proactive. They're paid by the property owners to make sure crime does not occur to begin with. So that's one major difference between public and private police. In terms of costs, there's major cost savings for private policing. With government police, you're basically hiring somebody who, oftentimes makes a big salary, makes a big pension. In San Francisco, hundreds of these people are making, the vast majority of them are making over $100,000 per year. There's dozens of members of the police department making over $200,000 per year. And this is not the type of number that we tend to think about when we think about the term public servant. A lot of these people engage in something called pension spiking, which means they tend to work a lot of overtime, so they get money in the short run. And then when they retire, they earn 90% of their salary forever as their pension. So if you look at the costs involved of government policing, it's tremendous. You compare that to private security and private policing, the costs are much different. They're much cheaper. You can buy any level of service you want, which in many cases all you need is a simple unarmed security guard that might meet 50% or 75% of your needs. In other cases, you might want to hire a more complicated private security arrangement. But the point is, markets enable people to choose what level of service that they want, whereas government does not.